So this is angle measures and their relationships. We have identify each as adjacent, vertical, complementary, supplementary, perpendicular, or a linear pair. Some can have more than one relationship. For number one, we're talking about two lines. We're talking about line AD and line EB. If you look, it forms this angle right here. We know it's a right angle because 62 and 28 are 90 degrees. That means that AD and EB are perpendicular. And since they're only asking about lines, there's no other relationship. We're not asking about angle relationships. Number four, GD and GE are actually the same lines, and so they have the same relationship. These two angles form a 90-degree angle, which makes these two lines also perpendicular. I'm just going to abbreviate for you. Number three, these angles, we're supposed to find the variable. That's what it says in the directions, find the variable. So these two angles form a linear pair. When they form a linear pair, that means that they add up to 180. So we're just going to add them up. I'm going to kind of do it the long way. And if y'all are still having trouble with solving, you need to come see us in tutoring. So we're going to combine our like terms. We've got a positive 2x and a positive 4x. That's 6x. We've got a positive 24 and a positive 36. That is 60. And all of that equals 180. We subtract the 60 from both sides, leaving us with 6x equals 120. Divide away the 6, and you have x equals 20. You can plug it back in to double check yourself on any of these problems. You would just put the 20 in x's place, and you would see if you add it, once you did that, if you add all these numbers up, you should get 180. Angle 6. Number 5, angle 6. Find the measure of each numbered angle. So we want to know how this measure. Well, this angle and this angle 35 form a linear pair. So in your calculator, you would just type 180 minus 35, and you would get 145. For 6 to 8, BD is the angle bisector of angle ABC. I'm going to draw a picture. I'm very visual. I can't do these without a picture. So this is angle A. And how do I know that B goes in the middle? Because when you name an angle, B is the vertex, because it is in the middle of these three letters. BD, that's the ray symbol. So BD, draw an angle bisector. So what this means is that this ray cuts the big angle in half, meaning that each of these two angles are equal. And the number 6 says that ABD is 5x and DBC is 3x plus 10. So to solve for x, which is what our directions tell us to do, we set these two equal. 5x equals 3x plus 10. I always move my smaller x amounts to the larger side. That gives us 2x plus, equals 10. Divide away the 2, and x equals 5. So So the answer here is x equals